In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Elementor cache in WordPress. So in order to clear the cache on your WordPress, the first thing you need to do is to head over right here to their website, which is wordpress.com. Into this, you have two options. You can either click on this Get Started right here or right here in order to create an account if you do not have one yet. However, if you already have an account, you can just simply click onto this login option, enter your credentials, and access your WordPress account. Now, once you're on your WordPress, you should be able to see in here your actual dashboard, and in here you can notice your left sidebar. Into this part, just head over to the Elementor option. Here it is right here, and then hover to the Tools section. Head over and click on this. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the tools that we have on Elementor, and the first option that we have right here is the Elementor cache. So head over and you can see it right here under the general. Click on the clear files and data option that we can see right here. Now this will clear it, and once you see this check mark right here, that means that you have successfully cleared the Elementor cache that you have on your particular website. Next thing you need to do is just head over to your browser and click on this three dots right here. Scroll down until locate the settings. Now in here, we can do this because your web browser actually stores cache versions of your website. So for Chrome, we can just go over to this option that I shown you right there. Now in here, we can just click onto this search option and search in here for cache. In here, you can see the delete browsing data. So click onto this and you can see this cache emails and files. So click on this delete data right here and make sure that this one is checked in order to delete the cache that has been installed in this part. So that's how you actually clear the cache on your Elementor on WordPress. Hope we helped.